This video is going to talk about estimating. Estimating is different than rounding. Rounding is taking your final answer and making that into a nicer number. Estimating is changing the numbers before you do anything with it. So let's say that we have 101 Dalmatians and we have 17 bowls to feed them with. I want to know about how many Dalmatians will there be at each bowl. So what we're going to do is we're going to round these numbers before we do anything else. Dalmatians, bowls, always important to label. So we're going to change this 101. What's a nice round number for 101? That becomes about 100. 17, we're going to round that up to about 20. Now, if we have about 100 dogs and about 20 bowls, that becomes 100 divided by 20, which is 5. So our answer would be not 5, but about 5 dogs per bowl. There you go. Now, if you would have done this, 101 divided by 17, and gotten 5.94, and then rounded that to 6, that is not estimating. That is rounding. When they ask you to estimate something, don't do this, but round it first and then get your final answer. That's estimating. Let's look at another problem. Let's say that we have 532 feet of string. We need to cut the string into 45 sections. So let's go ahead and round these numbers. Let's go ahead and round 532 to about 500. And 45, let's round that to about 50. Now, if we have about 500 feet of string and we need about 50 sections, when we do the division there, we're going to find that we have about 10 feet per section. That's not dividing 532 by 45 and then rounding the answer. That's first finding nicer numbers, and then figuring out what your estimated answer is.